So we're going to have Masala Idli. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I'm Constance Jaykumar. A lovely Tiffin series session again. And normally the idli is itself really yummy and soft and very good for digestion. Now we're going to add some vegetables to it and make it an instant masala idli, just eatable by everybody. Now heat a small pan, oil, onion, carrot and beans, lastly the cauliflower, salt and other powders, chili powder, turmeric powder, ajwain seeds. Just quarter glass of water, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now just after 5 minutes, the veggies are semi-cooked and no water left. See to that there is no water. So while you're pouring water, add in small quantity. Place your cooker vessels with water for steaming the idlis. Now grease your idli plates. For this lovely soft idli batter, you click the information card above or the description tab below to see the procedure to do this idli batter. Just take half spoon of batter. See to the veggies are completely inside. Cover it up with the batter again. Just steam it for 10 to 12 minutes and remove it. So here our veg masala idlis are ready to be served. So here your lovely veg masala idlis are ready to be served. Come on, have a look at this. Now you need not worry anymore about children not taking idlis, children not taking veggies, all together in one dish along with chutney, sambar or their favorite sauce. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.